type in the code.
Do you mind? We're signing an important historical document.
Whoa, it's the guy from the bill.
Dudes, I bet this tax money is worth like way more here.
So why can't we sign this thing?
By our decree, take $250 off a new carriage portal, or secure a fresh installation for the patriotic sum of $1,776.
So, are you gonna sign for this?